Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you all. I'm happy to be back and I'm here to show you how I made this lovely shoe I'm wearing here. So let's start up. Well, these are the materials I used. I used the cutout trim out from a dress. Actually, I got this alone like this from a market close to mine. It's just a patch. It just patches white and black, and also my E6000 glue and an old shoe I got from a thrift store just down the road. I got this for like 1,200. It's just an old shoe, but it serves its purpose. I think it's just an old shoe worn for like once or twice. So that's for that. That's all material I need for this project. So I'm first removing the pins because the patches came with pins at behind, so I have to remove the pins to have a flat surface so I can put it up and attach it to my shoe. So I'm done removing the pins from there. Now I have to glue my shoe together because the front of the shoe has like some pattern, so I have to put it together. Apply my E6000 glue on the surface of the shoe. Well, my glue is actually acting up. I don't know why. I think when you're buying E6000 glue, don't buy this rubber type. I suggest you buy the one that has that metallic container, the iron container. I think I suggest it's better than this one, so the glue doesn't just start popping up. So I suggest you use a shoe that has a flat surface in front to be easier to attach your whatever decorations you want to use in front. So now I will just stick my patches and apply my E6000 glue to the back of the patch and also to the edges too, so it can stick very well to my shoe. Yes, I'm just going to do that and apply my glue. Then I'm just going to take it and put it at one edge of the shoe because I got two patches for each shoe, so and they are very, very fancy and nice. So I wanted it to come out like all around the shoe, like covering the entire front of the shoe. So I had to put one at each end of the shoe and make sure it gets to the edges of the patch. Yeah, my mom is actually going to kill me when she sees me doing this on her table. I got to do this for you guys. Yeah, you have to press the patches on the shoe and make sure it sticks. You have to hold it for like 5 or 10 minutes to make sure it sticks very well on the shoe. Though you're going to leave it to dry, but hold it like from inside to make sure it sticks very well. And yeah, that's basically very easy, very simple step. And I hope you do this because the outcome was super nice, super nice. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing to the other leg of the shoe. I chose two different patterns. I saw a shoe on Instagram. It was so nice. I wish I saved the picture up for you guys, but it was so nice. I had to do two different colors on different legs. The shoe was, I saw it on a girl. It has two different colors on each leg, and I tried to recreate that. I don't know, I could have saved that picture, but anyways, it still came out super nice and I loved the shoe. So I'm doing the second leg same way. All you just need, just look for one of your old shoes that you don't like anymore, or you like but you just want to check the pattern of the shoe, but make sure it has a thin make sure the front is thin that you can apply something on and it's flat. because it wasn't really easy for me doing this on my shoe because it has lots of designs in front, but I have to do that broke bitch style. I got no choice. I can't afford to get a new shoe to do a DIY. So yeah, I have to just put on the glue on the other side of the leg of the shoe, the black pattern, and do the same thing the way I did for the white.
Once again. Again.
And yeah, while sticking it, you have to make sure it gets to the extreme end of the shoe, so the old pattern of the shoe doesn't show, at the side. Yeah, you see at the side, you just press on a part of the patch on to the shoe. Even if it gets to the under, it doesn't really matter, as long as it covers the entire front surface. So yeah, just press on and make sure it sticks properly, so you don't get everything flipping out when you're out walking the shoe. Yeah. Then you leave to dry for some time, and for probably overnight, but I didn't make mine dry overnight. The Harmattan season just made everything super easy. And there you go, guys, my super beautiful shoe. It actually came out very, very nice, and I rocked the shoe my entire holiday, trust me. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to recreate it, probably tag me on every video, every picture you recreated. I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Mwah.
Once again.